And that's where we think about why attachment is so important for the development of a social mind, and how you also make guesses about other people's states of mind. And some of you, again, will be familiar with this. This is the idea that in that attachment relationship comes affective marking. That what a secure attachment relationship does, when you're a parent, what you're doing is offering a type of contingent marking, so that you give the right response at the right time in the right amount to the baby. But as we know, thankfully, we only have to be good enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. Only have to be good enough. Will we make mistakes? Will we get it wrong? Of course we will. But that doesn't matter so long as we have lots of good stuff in there as well. But in that growing of that bond, which happens in the physical contact, the eye contact, the interaction, the attunement, becomes the beginning of the representation of self and the representation of self-other.